Requested to introduce our guest speaker, of which I'll do it in style. You'll see, you'll understand what am I saying. But Program Director, with your indulgence, allow me to thank Umzinyathi community for prioritizing quality education. And then, but my special thanks will always go to the subject teachers. Ngiyabonga go subject teacher basemzinyathi. Othisha abafundisayo, othisha abathi make sure that they are in class on time teaching. Othisha okwathi ikole ivulwa mhla ka 12 January, othisha bavula ngomhla ka 5 January. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Othisha sebeqalile ngama extra classes. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ikakhulukazi eMsinga. Emzinyathi wonkana nginabo ngekole ezu 60 mphathi wami. Eqale nge-5 zika January, grade 10, 11, 12. Sibambe lapho. And then ngicela ukusho ukuthi but the biggest number, which is 48, comes from Umsinga. I'm proud of you. Program Director, i-performance district siyakhuphuka. Ngicela ukusho lokho. I'll start from 2021. That is ngonyaka 2021, or class of 2021, they gave us 71.68. Class of 2022, 79.8. Class of 2023, 86.6. Class of 2024, 89.1. Ngicela ukusho mphathi ekuthini class of 2025 gave us 88.8. Of which is 89. And then it means that the district is performing at 89%, because looking at 2024 and 2025. But we have done our work, our analysis. We are going to move up to the target that has been given to us. Yes, the province gave us 93%, and then that is minimum. Understand that 100%, but minimum is 93%. But I've given all schools as a Semzinyathi 95%, of which we are going to achieve. We are aware that actually we let the province down, because the province performed at 90.6. So it means that we need to definitely make sure that we move up, colleagues. CMC is also but this CMC is number 1. They performed at 89.3%. Listen.